Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel IBOL Designing Developer. My name is Inshal Beg. I am a full stack developer and graphic designer. Like in previous class we have learned that what is regex query in Python, means regular expression in Python, and I hope you all enjoyed that class. Now in this class we will see that what is Instagram photo downloader in Python, and I hope you will also enjoy this class like you are enjoying all previous classes. So let's start. Now, first of all, you have to do like just you have to go to window and open your text editor over here, okay? Like previously we are working with our PyCharm and Atom text editor. So today we will also work with our PyCharm text editor, okay? So I will just open it. Now just I will press P and Y. So now just press enter over here. Now it is opening over here. So now just wait. So now here you can see this now. Just it has been open and I have made one file which is called instagram.py. Okay, so we are making one Instagram photo downloader. So I have taken the file called instagram.py. Okay, so you can take the file means instagram.py or photo.py or downloader.py also. Okay, it's your choice over here. Okay, so now if you want to like your desktop will be on desktop, so just your file will be on desktop, so just go to file, then take new, then just you can save as your Python file. Okay, so just my file is on desktop over here. Here you can see instagram.py. Okay, so I will not run it with command prompt, I will only run it with PyCharm. Okay, so just for running it, like you all know, we have to just go here or run, or we can also run from here. Okay, so now here I have made it one file instagram.py, and here we have to download some modules. Okay, I hope you all remember that modules. We will also download it again. I am just telling for them which are new over here. Okay, so I am telling for them. Okay, so I know that you all know because we are just working with our beautiful soup and request tag many times over here. Okay, so today we will also work with our requests and beautiful soup tag. Okay, so for downloading it, just come over here in the terminal, write over here pip install. So first we will work with our request, so I will write over here requests. Okay, so press enter over here. So now here it has been downloaded over here. Okay, so here you can see requirement already satisfied. I have already downloaded. If you want to, so you can also download from here. Okay, so now for downloading beautiful soup, so here you have to write like pip install bs4 or beautiful soup 4 also you can write, but I will only write in short form so our time can be saved over here. Okay, so I will write over here bs4, press enter. Here you can see now there is requirement already satisfied. Okay, bs4 full form is like beautiful soup 4, like you all know. Okay, so you can also write beautiful soup 4 like that or like this. Okay, so I am writing in short form over here. Okay, so now with this there is another tag which is called soup sieve. Okay, so we will not work with that over here. Okay, we will only work with our beautiful soup and not with 4 only beautiful soup over here, only this tag. Okay, so now just minimize it. So now here you have to just import the things. Okay, so we have downloaded the modules, now we will import them. So now first of all we have to write import requests. Okay, so I am defining that, just spelling should be correct over here. Okay, so I am defining that because request has not any other tag. Okay, it's only the leader of the tags over here. Okay, like bs4 is the leader of beautiful soup. Okay, so we write like from bs4 import beautiful soup. Okay, so just we will write that. Okay, so but in request in tags request only leader is request over here, so because of this we only write import request over here. Okay, so here you can see now when I am writing request, so there is not any other tag in the front over here. Okay, but if I show you like from bs4, if I write, and now if I write import beautiful soup. Okay, so if I write beautiful soup, so now if I show, so here you can see when there is written beautiful soup, so in the front of it there is written bs4. Okay, because the leader of this tag is bs4, so we are importing beautiful soup. So I am writing like from bs4 import beautiful soup over there. Okay, so like this I am writing over here from bs4 import beautiful soup. So I will just press it, or you can also press enter or tab. If you press tab, so it will come like that. Okay, so I am just pressing tab over here. Now here we have done our work till over here, and now here we have to define print tag. And now in this print tag, just I am writing like randomly print tag. If you want to, so you can write. If you don't want to, so you cannot write. Okay, so I am just writing equals to over here many. Okay, so just write that like that. I have written these equals to over here. Okay, so I hope you understand this. Okay, so it will come in the top of the username. Okay, so now just here we have defined that all things, and now here we will define now our username. Okay, so now I will write over here username equal to, and now this username will be equal to input. Okay, And now in this input I will define like, come over here and write here, enter your username. Okay, and now just you have to write like that. Okay, so I'm making the Instagram photo downloader will be like, first of all the user will enter his username. Okay, username of Instagram. So when it will be enter the username of the Instagram, then it will be like, it will be having its profile picture which he have having in its Instagram. Okay, so I will show you that how is that possible over here. Okay, so it is really easy to do, but there are many tags over here, so we have to do just it correctly. Okay, because if any spelling or any tag will be missing over here, so it will be just a problem for you over here. Okay, so now here we have to do like that, and now here I will define enter over here, and now here I will do like and write over here like URL. Okay, and now in this URL I will define my Instagram URL. I have already copied that and paste over here. Okay, so just it has been just gone over here. So I will tell you like how to do, like just go to Google Chrome over here and write over here Instagram. Okay, so now just it has been opening, and now I will just copy this URL from here, copy, and now I will just go to my profile so I can show you like what pictures are over here. Only my this profile picture I will show you. Just I will minimize it, and now I will just paste my URL over here. Okay, so now I have pasted my URL. You don't just, you have to remember one thing, like you have to just paste the URL of Instagram, not your profile. You have to just paste the URL. If you paste the URL of your profile of Instagram, so it will be not coming, it will be only coming your profile picture. Okay, so it will be coming error over here. So just you have to paste Instagram, not your ID. Okay, so I will show you that what is your ID URL. So this is called your ID URL. If you go to your profile, so there is coming like my profile name of Instagram is All Designing Developer. So here is coming like Instagram.com all designing developer. Okay, just you have to copy these things over here. Okay, just this thing, not this one, so it will be correct. It will be incorrect over here if you copy this one URL. Okay, so just I will minimize, and now I will do like, I will write over here brackets, and now just I will define another another slash over here. But here you have to just it will be in string, you have to just take care of that thing. Okay, so just now it is in string over here. Now here we have defined many things over here. So now here I will do like, come over here, and now I will define over here like R. Just here you have to define try type first of all. Okay, so I will write try, then I will write this colon, and now I will define R equal to, and now with this R I will define requests. Okay, request dot get, and now we are defining these all things because like we have import request over here. Okay, so we are working with our request tag over here also. Okay, so I am writing like request dot get over here, and now I will define here, you have to just not write the string over here, we will only write like that. And now write over here like, just I will write beautiful soup. Okay, so I will write, just erase this beautiful soup, I will write over here like format. Okay, format dot URL, which will be now like that. And now in this bracket I will define like, I will do username again. Okay, so I'm defining like that over here, but just erase this username because we have already defined that. Okay, so just we will only define over here like just this one format. Okay, so I will define this one format, and now I will write over here self. Okay, so this self tag is really important if you are writing any tag like that, underscore over here and underscore over here. Okay, so this is really important to write. Then I will press enter over here and write s. Okay, so I'm writing that because like we have written R because we are defining first of all request. Now I have written this as because we are writing beautiful soup, but it is start from B, but I am writing S over here. Okay, so now here you have to just write like that, S equal to beautiful soup. Okay, so I will write like that, and now here I will define this slash, and now here I will define URL dot format. Okay, so I will just define opposite of that which we have defined above. Okay, here you can see we have defined format dot URL, but here we are defining URL dot format over here, and now I will define self in it. Okay, or you can also define root, but I will define self. Okay, self is really awesome tag to define this. Okay, because if you define self, so it will be like debugging your error over here, and it will be also giving answer, but root will only give your answer, it will be not debug your error. Okay, so it will be all automatically over here, so I will show you that how. So now here we have done that all. I will define now over here URL. No, it will be u. Okay, so in the last we will define our URL, so I am defining just u over here equals to, Okay, so now I am defining equals to, and now right over here just url dot format again, and now in this format I will define self tag. Okay, again self tag, which will be now dot, just write like that format, and now in this format I will just define like that, and now in this I will define root. Okay, so I am defining this root because like I have telling you self is a good tag, but in this you have to just define root because when it debugs the error 2 times, so it will be not debugging and other time, so just we have to define root over here. Okay, so now in the last we will define our url like I have telling you. Okay, so I will write url equal to format. Okay, format, which will be now like that, format spec. Okay, here is coming, just backspace spec over here, and now here I will define property. Okay, so now in this I will define my url. Okay, so here I have defined many things over here, so just here we have done our work, and now here I will do like just come over here, and now I will write over here like, and now just back, and now come over here, right over here with open. Okay, so we will open with our file over here. So now here we have to define file. You don't have to define file, just you have to write .jpeg. Okay, because we don't know that file is jpeg, png, the user have taken the profile. Okay, so just we have to define .jpeg or png. Okay, so it will come if you are like you are defining .jpeg and the file of user is like png, so it will be not coming. Okay, it will be only coming the user file, like white color file is coming, so that file will be coming over there. Okay, so now here we have defined that all thing. Now come over here, just I will backspace, and now I will just come over here, and now here I will define like dot, like I have telling you .jpeg I am defining, and now just backspace, and now here I will define comma, and now in this comma I will define wb. Okay, so now with that wb we will define like, again we will define open tag. Now in this open I will define my url, just url again. Okay, so just it was the debugging error. Okay, so now this is done. Till here we have done our work, and now here just press enter again, and now here we have to define another things. Okay, so now here we have to define like open, and now here I will define Instagram. Okay, so now I will define my file name instagram.py over here. Okay, so just I am defining that because it will be opening my file over here. Okay, automatically, so I am defining this instagram.py over there. Okay, so now here we have done that all, and now here I will define the file. Okay, so now here it will be print tag. In this print tag I will define open.url. Now in this url I will define my format. Okay, so now here just come over there, and now write over here format dot url, which will be now in open tag, open, right over here property. So now till here we have done our work, and now I will just press enter, and now over there here I will define, now I have printed my open url over here, and now I will define my format, and now equals to, my format will be equals to property over there, and now in this property I will define my open tag with url. So now till here we have done our work, and now till there I have defined my work, and now just I will come over here, and now I will print that. Okay, print format over here. Okay, so I'm defining print format dot property. Okay, so I'm doing that because first of all we have now format and now open. Okay, so it will be open the first of all profile. Okay, so just I'm giving it the name like property over there. Okay, so you can also give the name anything you want to. Okay, so now just I am defining format here also, and then it will open our profile picture of any user over here, open.url, then it will be print our format property over there. Okay, so now here it will be format equals to property. Okay, so now in this property I will define url only. Okay, so now just erase this format, I will only define over here like open. Okay, so just space. Now till here we have done our work, and now this is done. Just you have to do another thing. Okay, three main tags we have to write another time, so it will be like print. Now just you have to just keep it empty, come over here, right over here print tag, and now in this print tag just you have to string and now write dashes over here. Okay, so I'm defining dashes, and now right over here accept tag. Okay, and now in this accept tag I will define like the success, just right over here, the success has been reached. Okay, and username is correct. Okay, so I am defining like that. If Python will be getting this, so it will be get this. Okay, so just I will define this again, and now I will define dashes again. Okay, so just I will define like if it is incorrect. Okay, so I will define like sorry, check the connection of your internet or user name. Okay, so now till here we have done our work, and now if I show you over here, so here you can see this. Till here we have done our work, and now here we have done, and now just you have done our work, and now if I run it from here, so now here you can see now it is asking like enter the username, means here you have to just define your profile. Okay, so I am just showing you over here. So now here you can see like I have opened my Instagram. Now I will define my username, which is called all designing developer. Okay, so I will show you like all designing just developer, press enter. So now here you can see there is written sorry, please check your internet connection over here or enter the right username. Okay, so it is incorrect, so it is telling that over here. Okay, so now here just we will write like that, and now here it will be like just write like that, and now if I define will, okay, enter. So now here enter the right username over here, there is asking again. Okay, so we will just check that one over here, and now just if I come over here, and now if I run from here, okay, so because I have running from there over here, so now if I do like that, and now here there is my file over here, and now if I write over here my designing developer, press enter. So just wait over here. So now here if I show you my profile, so here you can see now there is coming my profile over here, which is over here. Okay, I will show you, which is over here. Here you can see all designing developer, and it is showing the name correctly with my all designing developer. Okay, here you can see when I am writing all designing, so here you can see .jpg is my file, so there is coming like that. And now if I define will, press enter, and now sorry your check will, so now there is not coming our file over here. Okay, so it is not coming because the will be not profile of any user over here. Okay, so just I am writing randomly over here. Okay, so I am just showing you that randomly. Okay, so you can take any picture or anything, just you can take picture. Okay, not you can take video from here. Okay, because if you are taking any video, so it will be another tag over there. Okay, for taking any video over here. Okay, so it will be another tag over there. So now just if I do like that, and now just here I will come, and now if I minimize it, so now I will show you my where is my picture. So here open file location I will show you. So here is my picture over here. Here you can see all designing developer of picture. Here is my logo. Okay, here you can see this, which I have made it in my profile. Okay, so like this you can take any picture or any picture or any JPEG picture from Instagram. Okay, but you can only take the profile picture, like you all know. Okay, just you can take only profile picture. Okay, so I hope you understand this class, and I hope you also enjoyed this class like you are enjoying all previous classes. So just you have to just practice these all things like I am telling you. Okay, so this is really big tags over here. Okay, so just you have to write these all things properly over here. Okay, so you can be a good programmer of Python over here. Okay, so I hope you understand this class, and I hope you also enjoy this class like you are enjoying all previous classes. So I will meet you in next class. So for today, goodbye.